I'd say either 2 or 3 at a time is good.
Okay. Yeah, that's a literally perfect roux. Feeling better about my shred now. Nice job, team. You got tough hands.
Yeah.
You are going to be a chef. Spring has almost sprung. We're getting there. We're getting there. Hey everybody, it's Superintendent Eric Melby with the March Melby Monthly. Spring, it's an exciting time of year as the seasons change, and it's exciting especially for our seniors here in BPS as they get ready for graduation. You know, I'm really proud of the resources and the pathways we provide to help our students be ready for life after high school, be that college or career. Do we know if this is Minnesota harvested wild rice?
Yeah.
Classes like Chef Skills class. It's an elective class that gives our kids a taste of the culinary industry.
Eventually I would want to have like my own like restaurant or bakery, but
Yep.
that's like way far ahead in the future. But I do want to work in a kitchen when I'm out of school, like when I'm 18.
Yep. What do you like about this class?
I like the freedom.
Freedom. Yep.
Miss Campion allows us to modify our recipes.
Yep. We have so many programs to spark students' interests. We have things like post-secondary enrollment options, also known as PSEO, and the Bloomington Career and College Academy. And it's not just about exploring options. We equip students with essential skills for their future. In our AVID program, which stands for Advancement via Individual Determination, we have students learning about things like budgeting for college and leadership skills. Beyond the classroom, our students gain real-world insights, often through guest speakers who share their career experiences. This is all thanks to the dedication of counselors like Becky Walrick. What are the biggest things you help students with?
The goal of our work that we do with our personal growth plan curriculum is to ensure that all students understand the different types of jobs that are available to them. We start this work in 6th grade in our district. It's not a separate class. It's woven into things that we do. We can help them go from not really understanding a career all the way to getting a job right after graduation.
Love that. Yep, so cool. Students have so many choices these days. We're here to ensure that they have the knowledge, the skills, and the confidence to make the best decisions for their future. That's a wrap for this month's Melby Monthly. We're marching into spring. I'll see you in April.